Peace.
All right, go ahead.
Right.
Are you videoing? All of it. All of it.
Mine smells like deja vu. Daniel eating something really gross.
His mouth's all black. Oh, it's so gross.
Oh, that is lit.
Pretty good stuff.
So gross.
You look very sinister right now.
I know. Yeah, you can pull off God.
$10. Yes. It was worth it.
I would totally have done it for $10.
Yeah.
Me too.
Anyone have any water?
John, you just hand me the marshmallow.
Yeah. It's pretty bad.
Was it worth $10?
Yeah, it was worth $10. I mean, it was like a moment of my time. It's like $10 for 5 seconds of time.
And the aftertaste?
Just eat
pretty
graham
bad.
crackers or something.
Oh wow. It's bad.
Are there any cookies left?
Is that aftertaste there?
It's stuck in my mouth. I have paste all over my.
Yeah, Daniel, eat some chocolate.
Yeah. There's more respect for you eating that than for me.
No, I don't want respect.
Because
I'd
you're
rather
eating
take
it for
money.
free. If you want
Let me see how much of that there is there.
We're more than Daniel.
Oh man.
Oh, that's so gross.
Looks like fresh from a volcano or something.
That is wretched.
$20?
I'll give you my 10 and 2. Give me $12.
$12?
$12
Okay, Daniel's gonna use $12 to eat that.
I will sacrifice my reward.
Can I brush
for you.
off the ash first?
No.
It's 12. The extra $2. The extra $2 are for the ash.
Debbie, does it feel hot?
No.
Is it all
I don't
covered
think
in
so.
sand though?
$12, man.
Go, Debbie.
You're on the spotlight.
Alright.
I gotta
Oh,
comfort you.
man.
Good stuff. Got some gooey stuff left in it.
It's gonna be awesome.
You can tell you're bored.
What'd you do on your weekend, Debbie? Oh, I just ate some charred marshmallow
You
for
can put this on your
$12.
resume, Debbie.
You can
Alright.
eat literally anything. Yeah, breaking it down helps.
I'm about to be truly impressed.
Is this? Oh no.
It's gonna be amazing.
I'm on camera.
This is documented.
Andrew, no.
Do it! Do it! Yeah! Get it.
Andrew, don't go so close.
Yes! Yes!
That's so sad.
Oh, look at that black mouth.
Oh, Debbie,
Oh,
that's
open your
great.
mouth. Let everyone see.
Swallow! I can't believe you did that. You get the $12 anyways, even if you spit it out. That's amazing. That's amazing. How are those smellos coming along, my friend? Oh! You violator of the marshmallow. Scream in unison.
That's hilarious. All you almost screamed.
That's really cool.
He's gonna like.
Catch himself on fire.
Yeah, pretty much.
Ouch!
I buttoned my shirt up wrong.
It bit you.
There's like 2, 3, 4
I used to do that when I
here,
was 3.
3 here. Oh well.
It's really hot.
Apathetic.
Go for it.
Fix it.
Oh, that is hot. Yikes, how did you keep it in your hands for so long?
Red.
Okay, let's not
Generally things that are on fire are hot.
Because you're flinging a bunch of
Yeah.
Except when like a chunk falls off in your hand. Alright, Shallow, catch.
Nope. Not do that. Please. You catch my skirt on fire. You toss that at us.
We can play literal hot potato.
Hot potato.
Alright.
What happens?
Is it?
You know, I don't think I want to play this with you.
Ah, not to me.
How hot
Like,
is
it's
it?
gonna land on someone's
Don't
head.
try though. It could light you on fire.
Alright, hop potato, you ready?
No. I don't know how hot it is.
Just smack it away.
Hot. It's gonna burn you. This is weird.
Ready?
Oh, come on.
Hit that.
Boom.
Good job.
Let's get out a whole log.
Alright, people.
Here, swat this.
Get ready, buckets, you
We're
want.
getting sparks at us, John. You cannot play with sticks over there because it flings some sparks over here.
Here,
Holy
Daniel.
cow! No! No, Matt, you're not being a good influence on his. Really?
Bam! Ow! I just did that again and again. Doesn't hurt. Doesn't hurt.
Are you sure?
Doesn't hurt.
Somebody else can't like.
You gotta do it really fast.
No one else is stupid
I kind
enough.
of want to try it, but
Actually, the amount of time.
Oh, that one hurt a little bit.
I
got a chunk stuck up on my foot.
Where do you step?
Yeah, you have to be quick. I mean, it has to be really fleeting. Sanity.
Wait, where's my scarf? Oh, you're wearing it. Okay.
Sorry.
Where's my purse? I think that's in the. Here. And I'm gonna put.
Making a. Okay, now.
Oh, it's just. Very dumb.
Oh! Woo! It's pretty intense. You should try it, Phil.
Yeah, I'll pass.
Find enjoyment in sinking.
You're stepping.